Hi, this is amazing Ken. Well, I want to share with you how to use median in pivot table. But first, let's look at what is a quick view of median. So there's a list of numbers, right? And you order it and you find the one right in the middle that is called median, right? So I can use a median function to find that out. Mm, and then if I want to do it in pivot table, the older version, you will need to have a helper column. And the helper columns is to use a array formula to find that. It's a median and there's a if functions right there. So if uh, this cell here is equal to B2, then you take the value here, right? So that is what it means, right? So if, and you find that a list of median. But that is array formula is beyond this topic, right? We can talk about that later. But let's just show you how to do that one. So here, just type a median, right? Now it will be easy if there's no condition, but we do have that. So we cannot just say that we want to add all the cells. So we need to check only those only those value which is equal to team, right, that will be uh, will be will be actually what do you call that, consider. So same goes to this, right? So we're going to lock this area and then equal to this cell here and comma, and we only need to find the list of cells that is team. Then after that, once we find that, we find the we use a median to get the final result. So this is a array formula. We're going to enclose it with Control Shift Enter, and there you are, right? And I just need to also highlight this, lock it, and I just double click this. There must be something wrong. Let's see. Let's see. Do I have that error then? So I have equal to B2. When I check this, yeah. Okay, I guess it's because I didn't use there you are. Okay, so you can see that the JJB, right? For JJB is exactly this, right? 1356. See the JJB 56, and this 235 and so on, right? Yep, that's right. Now let's move on to pivot table, right? Pivot table, we can do that as well, right? So once you have created these, right, you can have a helper. You can use that to create a pivot table, and the old way would be like this, right? We go to insert pivot table, um, and then existing worksheet, right? Right here, click on this here, and we just drag the sales name and the helper, and right click, change it to average, right? And there you are, right? 56 is for JJB and 15 is for TIM, right? In the newer version of Excel pivot table, you can do this much faster without the helper column. So I'm going to learn that, right? So insert, right? But first I'm going to convert this into a table. Okay, and we're going to just put that a name called sales table, right? And then I go to insert pivot table, use existing. Now what's interesting is that you need to add these to the data label, data model, right? Yeah, just like this, right? And then but next thing is you gotta add a measure. Right click here to add a measure. over here you can find the sales median, right, for each clients. So I'm gonna just put the median, okay, and then I have this I wanted the words of sales, right, and I have this sales right here, and click OK. And now I just drag these clients right here, and there you are, 56 and 15, right? As you can see that it is the same, right? Now, how about if I have two conditions, right? Two conditions. We want to find not only the clients but also the brands, right? Why? So again, I list this down. I can see that 1, 4, 25, 45, 75, right? It's right here is matching that, right? And right in the median is 25. So how do we do that? Again, we use this. If the old method would be this, right? We use the array formula with the times to represent the relationship of and then finally, right? I'll just copy this down, right? Now, you can write this down if you're using the older version, right? In the newest version, right? Excel 2016, right? You can do this easily, right? Easily. Um, is the step are just like what we did earlier, right? So let's just go through it one more time. So I'll try and turn this right. I'll just change this to a pivot to Excel table, right? And I give that name. So the name for this is called sales table 2, right? And I want to just change it to amount, right? So it's easier for you to change. Then let's go to, I can also use this summarize with create table right here. Add this to, then I use this right here. Click on this and same. Right click, add measure, and here I type sales median right 2. Now we can't use sales median because earlier one we have it same. So just put that median and amount, right? Then number, click OK, and we have the clients, we have a brand. So you just check on this here. You can see that JJB for X. Let's take a look at this. JJB for X, the median is 45. You see that? So they are the same data but processed differently. Right? JJB for X is 45. Team for X is team for Y is 25. Team for Y is 25, right? Exactly. But much faster, right? All you need is just adding a, you can just right click here, adding a DAX formula, median. It's that easy. So thank you for watching this, and remember, you must always think amazing, believe amazing, and you can do amazing things, right? Think something positive and believe something that's positive will happen to you, and the same positive things will happen to you, right? And you gotta do it every single day, right? Quite that often, and you begin to experience what people say call good luck miracles. Thank you.